So I'm just gonna like tell you what happened at school today. So I'm gonna kind of talk like this. It's higher than I usually talk, but if I talk like this, it literally sounds like a rat. I don't know what's up with my voice, and it hurts really bad. So today I was at school, right? And there's this kid named Javon. But first, I'm gonna tell you how we got into that situation. So, one, if you don't know Javon, he's literally he got a lot of for my friend Jackson bet him $20 that he could get in a baby swing, and he did it, and then got stuck, and he was there for 2 hours and 32 minutes stuck in the swing, and they had to call the fire department. Anyways, we're not gonna really get into that. So we were in Miss Evans' class, but she's our computer teacher lady, but she's not a computer teacher, like she just has computers. And I go in there for my third period. So we were in that third period, and then after we got like done, we had like 20 minutes left, so we went to the gym, which we do every day, but we're not really supposed to, but she lets us because we're like her favorite class. So anyways, but we were in there. But anyways, we were in there, and I got my name called, and I was like, oh, what's happening? And we got fresh sodas today, and I didn't get one from anybody. My like church Bible teacher got me one, and I got my friends one. But other than that, I didn't get nothing. And then my friend said we went all out, and I'll show you that in the next video. But anyways, so we were halfway through all that and stuff, and like everything was going good and stuff until I got my name called. And this stuff went downhill because I already knew that guy was mean because I was in his 20-minute period and he was a substitute. But I gotta get into that after I explain to you what happened. So we were in our 20-minute period, and I got my name called because it was recess time whenever I got my name called. So I knew. No, it wasn't recess time. Hold up. Yeah, okay, so it wasn't recess, but it was like going into like 8th period. But my friend Saley was in there, so, you know, like, her class just wanted to go to the gym, so they did. Well, anyways, so after I got my name called, I'm not crying, and I just keep yawning. Whenever I yawn, it, like, makes my eyeballs water. So whenever I was going in there, he was like, everybody sit down at a table, because I was going, and I ran, and I was going to sit in the middle. But he was like, nope. Everybody do one of the computers. And I was like, okay, I know my computer password. It hurts so bad in my throat. So we got to a computer, and I was over there in one side, which was, hold up, I was on the right side of class, and my friend Joshua was like, Lacey, look, haha, your name's still signed in. And I've been sick for like ever, like a really long time. So for it to still be there was like a really, really rare chance. So I was just like, okay, can I sit there? And he was like, yeah. So I sat there. I did all that. And then things started getting interesting. Yes, I know that was there. It came from my mascara. So anyways, things started getting interesting. We were having conversations, and then Bennett came in, and I didn't know we weren't supposed to talk, or I wouldn't be talking. And the reason why I was talking was because I didn't have my password. There was, Miss Evans, which is our 20-minute period teacher, which we were in her room, she changed it. So, when we were, doing Well, that was weird. Well, whenever we were doing all that, she changed it and didn't tell me, and I don't know it. It was like Panther, and I don't know if it was all caps or just lowercase or capital P or something. And all I know that my passport was something like that, and then my name, and then a 1, I think, or something weird like that. So I got my last name right because it was already logged in, but then I had to do my password. Why do I keep making that weird noise? But I was like, I don't know my password. Would you help me? And we were like, I don't. He goes, shut up. I don't know. Freaking look at your keyboard and be quiet. And I was sitting there going, well, I can't really do anything. So, if I take a nap, don't be mad at me. And he goes, you ain't gonna take a nap. You can sit there and you can look at that. And I was like, no, I'm not. So everything's trying to get into a haywire. I didn't know his name, so I couldn't really say nothing. But I remember my friend Javon raised it out, and Javon was being bad, but he he was being like the usual Javon, like bad talking. So this guy goes, be quiet, turn around, you're gonna listen. And he goes, if you don't, like, he's yelling at this point. He's like, if you don't think if you don't like me, then that's your problem and stuff. And he was like, this ain't gonna affect me. I'm just gonna go home because I'm just a substitute. I'm gonna go home, take my wife out to dinner, and you guys are just gonna be little gossip stories that happened today. And Siobhan goes, and he goes, well, I feel bad for your wife. She probably got to go through all that and more. And I was like, and Javon goes, do you have any kids? And he goes, yeah, I have quite a few, actually. I have 5. And then Javon just goes, well, I feel bad for all freaking 5 of them. And he was Javon just speaking up. And this guy goes, well, I don't. I love my wife. And he seemed super nice, but he was yelling at us. And he goes, oh, y'all just shut up. Shut up. Okay, and then he goes, freaking, he was yelling, and it was bad. And then Javon raised his hand to ask a question, and he was being rude, and then I raised my hand, and I was like, I can't do my work, I don't know my password, will you let me go to your oven so I could ask? And I was just like, at this point, I was just like, I just want to figure out my password, see how clean my hack is, and then get out of here. He goes, no, you can sit down and be quiet. But at first, I was like, sir, Big Bird. But he wouldn't reply. And this guy screams, sent Javon to the office. He was being a general butt. So the time of the day, Ms. Bennett watches this. 1, I ain't taking out my nose, and you can rip it out my face. And 2, you can fire